Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
Yeah, you got Matt, Jim here.
Yeah,
Matt's back.
I'm back. Yeah, what a sidetrack that was. Wow. Still on the mend. Yeah. Recently got just a cane away from my walker, so that's been a big improvement.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be here otherwise. My goodness. Thank you for everybody that helped get to that point. You know, got to thank the big guy upstairs and all the people that donated and.
Oh yeah, just kept you
afloat.
Afloat
while I was in my coma.
Yeah, we were just floating around.
So unfortunately that happened, but thankfully we're still here to tell the tale.
Oh yeah.
Poor Jim's just been working by himself here.
Solo man here.
Yeah. So it's been a little slower than usual, and I hope one day in the foreseeable future I can start trying to work again a little bit, but
yeah.
For now we're just healing up.
Oh exactly, it's good. You got to get back to 100%.
Yeah, as close as we can get anyway. But yeah, it's good to be seen, and again, like I said, thanks to everybody who shared and reached out and sent well wishes and prayers and thoughts. And I'd like to thank too everybody at Heartland by us that took care of us while I was unable to function completely, like our neighbors and friends that found me in the ditch. And anyway.
Yeah. Stars,
it seems almost surreal. Yes, thanks stars. I was airlifted from there, and the surgeons that surgeried on me, and
yeah.
Boy, I tell you, it's I don't remember any of the accident.
It's probably good. Tell people about what happened. The different broken components of you.
Oh yeah, I had a ripped aorta, broken pelvis, a cracked spine, collapsed lung, broken ribs. Yeah, and then my head was pummeled.
Burn your scalp there with your
big scar, you know, like forever. And
yeah.
So anyway, but I just wanted to reach out, and I appreciate everybody asking about me, and I just wanted to tell you that we're on the mend, and hope we can get back to making some videos pretty soon. We've got a few things that Jim's been working on. We'll show you here in this little pan over, and again, like I said, thanks to everybody who was there for us when we needed it, and my wife Cassie especially, because that's pretty tough. I can imagine, you know. But yeah, all's well that ends well, I guess. Is the saying.
Yeah.
I could have done without it though.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, no.
But it makes you appreciate things in a different sense. It's kind of, in a roundabout way, refocus what's most important. And cars are great and stuff like that, but it's not everything. So there's so much more to it.
Family,
exactly.
The true
family
wealth,
and friends. That's exactly.
Being able to look at the flowers from the right side.
Yeah, not from the roots. Yeah, not viewing the roots. That's for sure. Yeah, and I had to get some glasses too, in case you didn't notice. I got. Ooh. Yeah. Everything's clear now. I don't know if I want it that way. But anyway, thanks, folks, and we'll catch you on the next one.